Ella. Walk and wine. Watch it. Hey. Hey, yo!
Yeah.
Welcome, people.
He's Lee.
And she's Letty, and together we are
Double L.
Double L, double L, double L. Wagwan Creatives. Welcome back to the greatest YouTube channel on the planet. Damn, I missed you guys. I missed you guys. I missed. Oh, you know, wonder why we didn't see him close?
Oh, tell him why.
Tell
them why.
Because it's the exact same day. It's just a different week.
But
Come on,
the
guys.
Vibe, so we just send home. We're gonna do 2 videos.
Listen me, it's just the vibes,
You might not
man.
get 3.
You might get
You
4.
We don't know yet. We don't know yet. If the energy in this room, it's real.
It's real. But I am thinking creatively, by the way.
And I'm Letty 876.
And we're chilling in the tropics. You know the vibes. Come on, you know the vibes.
You know the vibes.
Come on,
You
guys.
want to party with us, my guy? You want to party?
Party with Cardi. Cardi a body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my...
Sorry,
Let's get into
we
the
don't know
video.
what I'm doing today.
Let's get into the video.
Today we will be doing. Wait, name. Song translation. Today we'll be doing translating English to Patwa. No, Patwa to English.
Yeah, power to English. Song lyrics.
Song the
power
song
lyrics to English.
No. Translating Patwa to English. Song version.
Song.
Song.
Yeah, song associate.
Song.
Yo, you know what I mean. You know what I mean.
Song style. No, song.
Song related.
Song related. We'll just go with that because we don't know what I'm doing right now.
And we're very energetic right now.
All right, let's start with the first song.
Okay, first one. Ready? You first. You first. I'm gonna try to translate.
Me first.
Me first. Me first.
Done well. Girl, it's you that I love. No other woman I prefer. Or it's rather prefer. Prefer can word. No other girl. You know what I'm saying?
I know what's the song. What's the bum nothing that you are saying?
Girl, are you me love? No other cat me no prefer.
No other girl I don't prefer.
No other female I prefer.
Okay. Next
Told
song,
her
ready?
that I love. Let me continue the same song. We just want to do 4 bar.
Oh,
And you cut me.
I'm sorry, my guy.
I'm bleeding now. Because it.
I swear I was sick today.
Well, me don't know what I'm doing.
What
Tanya,
kinda-
your turn. Cause
Oh.
Don't stop. Oh, what a feeling. Watch me under it. You like that feeling that come over me. Hold me so tight with the security.
Okay.
You give me everything you want me.
You are my sugar daddy. You are my sugar father.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
no, them can't say sugar daddy.
You can sex me if you want to.
What?
I don't know.
Tanya, I don't say
I don't know the song. I don't know the song.
Independent and enough.
Independent.
I don't need anyone.
And you don't know this.
I don't know the song. If it's one song, woman know.
Man, I don't know what you know.
I don't know these songs.
I don't know.
Anybody who know me knows that I don't listen to these raw,
Derogative.
explicit things.
It's very. I don't.
Too raunchy.
I like that word.
Very
It's very raunchy. It's let's move on to the other.
One song, I know, man. It's still my turn. Come on, get it. I know, eh.
Oh, come on.
Ready for this.
Mm.
On the bed head, you should hit it again. On the bed head, you should hit it again. On the floor, you should bang it again. It's a song. Bang it again. That's all I have. As a song here. On the bed, you have to bang it again.
And if you take it as a joke, you slam it again.
And if you take it as a joke, you should slam it again.
No wonder where that day. I'm like, bro, what are you
putting in there
singing?
that's not even there. Putting in there that's not even there. Putting in there that's not even there. Ready?
Oh, I mean sing that?
Yeah.
Me not sing that?
I miss it.
Oh dear.
When I'm bending over, I am whining and catching. I don't know
Whining
the word
and
for it.
catching.
I don't know. It's not catching. I said catching.
And catching.
There's no word for that.
For catch.
I am whining and catching. I like to brace on it and I like to back up on it. I like to brace on it and I like to back it up. Back it up.
You can't say back it up.
Yes, I like to
Back it up.
back it up.
Backing it up. I'm the king of talking shit, then backing it up. Hey, back.
I'm not sure.
Come on, everybody know that song there.
Oh gosh.
Me have this pan lock.
You can say
Me
the
have
lyrics
this
here.
pan
You sure you can say
lock.
the lyrics here.
Brother.
A man can say it.
Boomer!
Let's see it.
Are you more until the end? What is that? You're the one
Yeah.
that I want until the end. There's no place like your bed. I'm not going to take you for granted. Not take you for granted.
And I won't take you for granted.
And I won't take you for granted. I told you I was ready and you asked when. And I
When?
told you.
When?
Sorry.
When?
Sorry. I told you I was ready and you asked when. I tell you right now.
We get it.
Damn,
We
my
get it.
nigga.
They're the master.
Yo.
That was our mother.
That was our mother.
She's still here.
Next video. Next song.
Next video.
Baby.
Baby.
Hello. Walk and wine.
And that's his name. I have said the name. I have said that. Gubby, leave me
Just go to the
alone.
lyrics.
Oh. Let me play something, man. We can't just jump, so.
To go for leave me alone. Let's see what I sound them. No, you know I'm not a soul. Away I want with my dirty governor.
Big lady. Big woman things.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Okay.
Yo.
Big woman things. I am asking you for some
A Trini would have said
some cunt. Wait, we can't say that part.
what would I do?
Oh, it's a bad word for them.
Bro. Alright.
This is okay. We can't.
We'll scrap that. Like
The
one again.
big woman things. I am begging you for some that word.
a Trini, a
A
Trinidadian.
Trini would ask you for some that word. This is hard. This is harder
No.
than it looks. Okay.
You done?
I would just laugh. I would
You
just-
done?
We're done.
Alright, cause
Come, pick one shoe what you want to say. You are a guy. You cannot sing that.
the songs aren't labeled
Go on
from.
YouTube and match the thing.
Just come fam.
Louis V, shade rope, twist clean, shave me no weird cheat. Yes, ice in a each, yes, carved up left tree on your chest. Be weird, me dark like a deep, give me kush ice teeth.
Clocks, the way, pull like the thing there. Cologne sweet like the honey where the bees made. And she never know the lyrics.
I do not know what song.
Cologne sweet like the honey where the bees made. And she never know
I
that.
really do not
Seriously.
know the lyrics to this.
Anyways, Louis Vuitton shades, rope twist, clean braids.
Are you alone can know if you're
We don't use-
on here.
We don't wear cheap gears. Ice, those are earrings. What's the ind? Are in each ears. Louis V shades, rope twist, piece here, when I wear clean shades.
Alright,
If
you're
you
gone
talk-
far. You're gone far. You
Alright.
can stop.
Next song.
My turn. I can do this. I can do this. Hey.
Yeah, man.
She make me feel like a little baby. She
Oh, no, 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 no,
with
no.
the Mother Mary.
I feel it. Oh, sorry.
Is hair so nice? I think it's
Nah. That's all like some unintelligent English. Is here so nice? That's
Yeah.
all like English. Would you
This is where it
would you
is
step
nice.
to
This is where it
an
is
interview and said, "Oh, is here
Here-
so
but
nice?"
Here is where it is nice.
Yes.
Here is where it is nice.
I could have said, here is so nice."
That is not how the song would have sing.
I know, but you have to change it for it to sound proper.
Here is where it is nice. I think God was saving me. And she came into my room like a mother's baby, like a Mother Mary.
No, she come in my room and she never afraid it.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
She came
I'm
into
so
my
sorry.
room,
I didn't
one.
remember. It's a long time song, but never remember. I'm this mistake. And she came into my room and she wasn't afraid.
Not at all.
Her something her something was pretty. Yeah.
Like a mother's child.
Like a mother's baby. That's what I came up with. What is water?
Good production.
Oh. Coming. My telephone is ringing, and my telephone is pinging. Any means of communication. She's trying everything. And when we finally got in contact, she want to know when she's going to see me back. And it's 6 a.m. in the morning and her body is calling.
That song was too easy because
Because
that's
it's
how
an
it
English
are.
was
Yeah.
like that.
That was too easy.
Nah,
I was
fam.
doing some hard things.
Nah, fam. Come on. Ashley.
Oh my goodness. This is too much.
You lie to me.
You lie to me. Hold up, yeah. That's alright, yo.
That's alright. Baby girl, don't worry about it.
But I think they would have said alright, because alright no fit right. Would have said that's okay.
They say alright.
Yeah, but they would have said alright in that content. Like that's
It's
alright.
my song.
I'm very sorry. Dating,
Sure.
you can lose.
That's alright. Baby, don't worry about it. I know you never loved anybody. Wait. That's alright. Don't worry about it. I'll be your ride like I've always
Been.
been. I mean, this is hard. I lose at this challenge.
And
I
touch these
totally
girls
lose.
like I'm super mean. Sorry,
Yeah,
Superman.
that's alright. Be the word, but play the song. No, that song you can't play. That song you can't play. Next week. Next week.
Move with the money ready for the show down.
You are seeing that?
Every girl
I
say
don't
they
know
can't
this.
act some but man a gangster me can't dance like you.
Diamond for me neck.
Dance for me neck
Like, wow, doing this big.
on the inside now.
Okay, so him say, move for the money. What you say?
Move with the money ready for the show down.
Groove with the money ready for the showdown. Every gal say the kid had some bro. Man a gal, alright. Move for the money. I'm ready for the showdown. Every single girl in the world is saying the kid is handsome, bro. I'm a gangster. I can't dance like you.
Yo, I can't dance like yo.
I can't dance like you.
It's not
Diamonds
you, guys, it's
on
not
my
you
neck.
It's
Diamond.
not, it's not you anymore. It's yo.
It has to rhyme, fam. It has to rhyme. You know what? Your turn, cuz.
Me coulda never green dog, me no chow chow. Ha ha ho ho. Who you know? Hand up on.
Yo, if I could have danced, I'd be the wickedest dancer in the world. Brother, me could have dance. Go on. Hand up on polo. When I get your body. Tell us some fresh. We have made with breeze.
Oh yes, oh yes.
Yeah. Tell us some old, you know.
Let's say for sure. We are there with breeze, face full of ice, you know free. Face full of ice, you know free.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Face full of ice, you know free.
Face full of
Oh,
ice. Just say it again. People, this is, yo, guys, this is history.
Shush them up, camera.
This is history repeating itself. Sorry.
Let's say for sure. We are there with breeze, neck full of ice, you know afraid it freeze.
Diddy Dan, you just
You did it that that part I just messed up.
Diddy Dan,
Let's know what I'm saying.
Kiss, listen, it a much of a you made with breeze. Neck full ice, and afraid it freeze. Get it down, be a girl that's one night beat.
Diddy Dan be a girl after him like bees.
But still, you see, inactive these sound like the same. Inactive these sound like same Nick Lamar.
Listen, guys.
It's a life dog, YOLO. Yo, coffee be a girl a shout out. Tell us I'm fresh, what you made with breeze. Neck full ice, and afraid it
That sound
freeze.
like cake.
It wants a neck full
It
of
sound
ice.
like cake.
Come on, guys. Common sense, fam.
Man, no, but it just sound
Or
like
put it in a proper English and stop the yippee yapping and chit chatting and
Alright,
flip flopping and mick macking and click clacking and tick tapping and sit tapping.
Okay.
Girl is saying you are fresh. What do you bathe with? Breeze? Neck is full of ice.
Nah.
Aren't you afraid it
Neck
freeze?
is full of. Oh yeah.
This is poetry right here.
Sorry.
Neck is full of ice. Aren't you afraid it freeze? The
Diddy Don,
That is hot water.
Idonia.
Oh yes. Oh,
I
yes.
name
Yes, but it's theme song, someone can say it.
Diddy Don.
Did it dong?
Dong.
Did it?
Diddy Don.
We can't take this.
Him name Idonia, so him name Diddy. And then put Dan on it.
This is
Diddy
the
Dan.
lyrics. Did it done?
Diddy Dan be your girl a swab
Oh.
like bees.
Did it done? A lot of girls swarming like bees
Why?
because they love the honey. Guys,
We have come to the end of the video. Unfortunately, I'm crying right now. Real tears.
you know, by
Whoa.
this time of this video, I hope the subscribers have reached a far
To a
level,
million
you know,
right now.
and the
Like,
viewers have up.
I've
I
climbed.
don't know why not be so. Why not be so?
Guys, listen to me. The quicker we reach to 1,000 subscribers, the quicker giveaways can happen.
Exactly.
Guys, just work with the. I'm screaming so dark. Like, guys, work with the program. Like, Why is my camera? There you go. Like, just work with it and build with us.
Come
We're
on,
building a
I
family.
know that we're making you laugh.
Yes.
You know so have the vibes.
You know so
you
we
know
have the
so have the
vibes.
things there.
We have the vibes. We have the vibes. We have the vibes. What she said. So guys, I hope that you like, comment, subscribe. You
All
can
of that.
leave
All
a
of
comment.
that. Everything.
Click the links in our descriptions, because the links in our descriptions go to our social media platforms and our previous videos, and leave a nice comment and we might shout you
You can
out.
follow us on our social media platforms.
Yes.
Are
Oh guys,
Letty876
Oh.
and
thinking creatively. Guys, the WhatsApp number is down in the description. You can send a text, send a video of anything you want to say. It's just a extension of the comment which you would normally comment.
When you send in something via WhatsApp, it's more like a chance that you get a shout out.
You'll get a shout
And
out
we are put
on
it
the
up.
WhatsApp, yes.
And if it's a video,
Especially
we
if
just
it's
put
a
it up.
video and we just have to put it
literally
out
put it
for
up
you.
for you.
Yes, guys.
That's why the WhatsApp is there.
So just like, comment, subscribe, and you know, be
All
creative.
That. All that. Bye, creatives.